like to welcome you to one of the wonders in Malacca, Cheng Hoon Teng Temple. Built in 1645 AD, it is the oldest temple in Malaysia and it is still well maintained and functioning. It is one of Malaysia's earliest examples of Hokkien temple architecture, reflecting the skills of artisans from Fujian and Guangdong province in China. Here, we have the courtyard leading up to the prayer hall. Here are prayers made to the Jade Emperor. Worshippers get candles and joss sticks and paper at the stall next to the prayer pavilion. As they enter through the right door, as it provides good energy, worshippers pray to the deities accordingly, which is from the main deity to the lesser deity, which is from the middle to the right, then to the left. Looking up, we can see the truss system of the prayer hall, which is known as Chuan Do system. In this system, the entire skeleton of the building consisted of columns, purlins, struts, and lintels. This system uses the method of mortising the cross beams into the columns, and the purlins rest on the ends of the cross beams. Chuan Do system mainly prevalent in South China and is applied in the truss of the main prayer hall and the main pavilion. Worshippers then ring the bell where it's on the right side, as the bell symbolizes Buddha's voice as he calls for protection from heavenly deities. Moving on, after worshippers pay their respect and praying, they then exit the main hall and place incense sticks at the prayer pavilion. After that, they then proceed to burn the joss papers at the incineration site, as we can see here. After the burning of joss papers, worshippers now head to the side and leading up to the back hall. From the cubicles and partitions we see here consist of different guardians and ancestors for worshippers to pray and worship. Reason of this layout at Cheng Hoon Teng Temple, which is known as San He Yuan, which forms an inverted U shape resembling a Chinese character. Rituals were performed which encircling in the temple. It is a tradition of enshrining the statue of Buddha together with Buddha relics. Therefore, there is a tendency to include both faiths in Buddha relics and faiths in the statue of Buddha within the circumambulation ritual. In Feng Shui's concept, the frontal orientation of Cheng Hoon Teng Temple has the main external gateway and the main hall facing northeast direction. This indication of the northeast direction brings knowledge, intelligence, and scholar success. Now, as we reach towards the end, we see that worshippers have prayed and paid respects to the Buddha and the other deities and guardians. They then exit the temple at the right exit, and bearing in mind, always using left foot first, as to avoid bad energy.